Did you know your stomach completely rebuilds itself? It sounds like science fiction, right? But it's a real, incredible biological process happening inside you right now. Think about it. The acid in your stomach is so powerful it could dissolve metal. So how does it not just eat through your own body? The secret lies in a remarkable ability to constantly regenerate. Let's dive into the science behind this amazing feat. Your stomach lining is in a constant state of renewal. It's one of the most dynamic environments in your entire body. To protect itself from its own potent digestive juices, the stomach is coated with a thick layer of mucus. This mucus barrier is the first line of defense, but it's not foolproof. The harsh, acidic environment still causes wear and tear on the cells of the stomach lining. So, how does the stomach cope? It employs an army of specialized stem cells located in deep pits within the stomach wall. These stem cells are cellular factories, constantly producing new cells to replace the old, damaged ones. This turnover is incredibly rapid. In fact, your stomach gets a completely new lining every 3 to 4 days. That's faster than your skin, which takes about a month to fully renew itself. This rapid regeneration ensures that any small breaches or damage from the stomach acid are quickly repaired, preventing the acid from reaching deeper, more sensitive tissues. Imagine repainting an entire room every few days. That's the level of maintenance your stomach performs just to keep you safe and healthy. This process is a beautiful example of the body's self-healing capabilities. The cells on the surface of your stomach lining have a very short lifespan. They are born, they do their job of protecting the stomach wall and aiding in digestion, and then they are shed and digested along with your food. They make the ultimate sacrifice for the team. Meanwhile, deeper in the gastric pit, the stem cells are already working to create their replacements. This continuous cycle of death and rebirth is what keeps your digestive system functioning smoothly, day in and day out. It's a non-stop construction project, ensuring the integrity of your stomach against one of the harshest chemical environments imaginable. Now, you might be wondering, what affects this incredible renewal process? The answer, not surprisingly, lies in your lifestyle. What you eat, how much stress you're under, and your overall health habits can either support or hinder this vital function. A diet rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber provides the essential building blocks your body needs for cellular repair. Foods like leafy greens, berries, lean proteins, and healthy fats all contribute to a robust stomach lining. They help maintain the integrity of the mucus layer and provide the raw materials for new cell growth. Think of it as supplying your internal construction crew with the best possible materials to do their job. On the other hand, certain habits can throw a wrench in the works. A diet high in processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can promote inflammation, which can damage the stomach lining and disrupt the renewal process. Chronic stress is another major culprit. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can interfere with cell regeneration and even increase stomach acid production, creating a more hostile environment for your stomach lining. Habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are also known to directly damage the stomach lining and impair its ability to heal itself. They essentially sabotage your internal repair crew, making it harder for them to keep up with the necessary repairs. So, how can you support your stomach's natural superpowers? It all comes down to mindful, healthy living. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet. Think colorful plates filled with vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. These foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that are crucial for cell health. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi can also be beneficial, as they help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which plays a role in protecting the stomach lining. Staying hydrated is also key. Water helps maintain the consistency of the protective mucus layer and supports overall cellular function. Beyond diet, managing stress is paramount. Find what works for you, whether it's exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or simply taking a few deep breaths throughout the day. Getting enough quality sleep is also non-negotiable. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, and this is when much of the cellular regeneration in your stomach takes place. Regular physical activity can also help by reducing stress and improving circulation, which ensures that your stomach cells get a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. It's truly awe-inspiring when you think about it. Your stomach is a self-repairing, self-maintaining organ that performs a high-wire act every single day. By making conscious, healthy choices, you're not just eating for taste or energy. You're actively participating in and supporting one of your body's most incredible feats of engineering. You are giving your body the tools it needs to protect itself from the inside out. Every healthy meal, every moment of relaxation, and every good night's sleep contributes to the strength and resilience of your amazing, regenerating stomach. Thanks for watching and learning about this incredible process with us. If you found this fascinating, imagine what else your body is capable of. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join us as we explore more wonders of the human body. See you in the next video.